Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video I want to show you a step-by-step process of how you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat token to your Binance Exchange. So as you can see at the top right corner here, I've already chosen Binance as my CEO before, and that's where I'll be withdrawing all my token to. So in this video it will be a step-by-step process of how you can withdraw from your Hamster Kombat app application on Telegram to your Binance Exchange. So let's get right into it. So first thing first is that you are going to click on the airdrop icon here. So let me click on the airdrop icon here. So and here is the withdrawal process. This is all the exchanges, all the wallets that you can use in withdrawing your token. So the first three are exchanges, while the last three are wallets, on-chain wallet. Those are your Telegram wallet. Why these are exchange exchanges. So I'll be using Binance. First, after clicking on the airdrop icon, you click on the Binance Exchange here. So I click on it, and it pop out this, and it said, do you have a Binance account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Hamster. So it said no, let create. So if you do not have a Binance account, you press no, let create it. And sorry guys, before I proceed, your Binance or Bybit or OKX, anyone you decide to use, must be verified. You must have done your KYC before you can withdraw, or else you're going to lose all your tokens. So make sure you verify, do your KYC before you proceed. So after that, I will press but I have a verified Binance account, so I will ignore this and press yes, I have it. So let me click on it, and as you can see, they say Binance Exchange trade on the go, anywhere, anytime, over 220 million user trust Binance registered. Okay, so this is for the people that does not have a Binance account. So you can click on the register here and use the Hamster Kombat referral code and register. So as you can see here, there is Hamster Kombat deposit address, and here this is the memo. And after that, so we're going to go to Binance now and copy the Hamster Kombat deposit address and the memo. So let's go to Binance. So right now guys, we are in the Binance app. So after entering the Binance app, we come to wallet here, click on the wallet icon here, and I click on spots right there. I click on spot, and I click on this search bar to search for the token. So let's search for the token, which is HM, and you can see it pop out Hamster Kombat. So you click on Hamster Kombat. After clicking on Hamster Kombat, you click on deposit crypto and choose the network you want. And as you can see, we already have one network here, which is Coin. So you click on it, and yeah, so this is the deposit address, and this is the memo of the Hamster Kombat. So right here on the Hamster Kombat application, I'm going to put the deposit address and also put the memo, which is 101086963. So that's it guys. So and we click on save. So right now, there's a message that popped out. They said, well done, stay tuned with updates, thanks. So guys, so as you can see, this I've changed right here, and it said request to Binance was sent. So now I have connected my Binance account to my Hamster Kombat. So if they're going to airdrop to my Binance account. So thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. Please click the subscribe button and the like button, and comment what I should do next.